Hey everybody, what is crack-a-lacking? I have today another box of 2018 Topps Chrome Baseball hobby box. This will be my last and final box that I know of. I guess later on down the line when, if the price comes down, I may pick up some more. But if it's anything like 2017, the price is held, pretty strong. Of course, that has Aaron Judge in it, so I don't know. We'll see what this does. This has Ohtani in it. If he continues to be what we think he's going to be, then this may stay well over 120. 100 in the 120 range. Although, actually, I haven't even looked at it the last few days. It may be higher, maybe lower. I actually pre-ordered all of my boxes of this. But it worked out pretty good. It was staggered where the first box to come in is the one I ordered off a Blowout, that jumbo, and then I bought one from an eBay seller and then this one from a different eBay seller, so I ended up getting these on different days, and which is kind of cool because otherwise I just rip into everything and then I'm done with it. If you want the fun to last, it kind of helps to have it arrive at different times. Alright, so my experience so far, nothing too crazy, nothing too grand. One gold autograph, you can watch the other hobby box video and see that. Lots of nice looking refractors, but, and I think I've pulled all of the big rookies, a couple of rookie refractors, but yeah, nothing like to write home about, so we'll see how this one goes. Alright, Alcantara rookie, Adam Jones. Oh, and I did go back through and look at all the cards from both of the first two boxes and no variations. None at all. Those must be pretty hard to get. Stanton, 35th anniversary, and Tim Anderson. Andrew Miller, Brian Dozier, a Parker Bridwell rookie refractor, and Cespedes. Dustin Fowler rookie, Ahmed Rosario rookie anniversary, 35th anniversary. Good looking card there. Moore and Fulmer. Here's a Devers rookie. Lucas Sims rookie. Gregorius refractor. And Paul DeJong. I did pull, I pulled two purple refractors, one green, and two of the black and white reverse negatives. Billy Hamilton and Aaron Judge. Looks good. Arcia and Robbie Ray. I guess the main thing is that I haven't pulled anything grand of a really good player. Corey Seager, Nick Williams rookie, Cano, and Luke Weaver. I did pull the Prism refractor of Judge and Corey Seager. Those were like, I think, the best parallels, other than, who was it? I got a refractor of, was it Acuna or Albies? Now I can't even remember. Encarnacion, a Reese Hoskins rookie. And there's a Acuna rookie refractor. So now I really wish I could remember, is this my second one of his? I don't know. It's a good looking card though. And Cabrera. Chris Davis, Keuchel, Correa refractor, Whit Merrifield. I was looking to see if that was gold. It looks really bright, but I guess the field. I didn't mention this before, but the refractors are labeled refractor, and some products years they haven't been. I'm glad that they are. I've actually bought lots off eBay before that the seller had labeled as refractor, and then I got it and they were just plain cards. But I guess there are people who just didn't really know cards that well. Sing rookie, Lewis Brinson, Future Stars, Elvis Andrews, and Jake Lamb. But I like to think that, if the refractor had been labeled as such, the seller would have known. Beltry, a Robles Freshman Flash, Gurriel, and Morales. Ron McMahon rookie. Here's the first autograph, Fernando Romero rookie. Again, I don't know. Honestly, I'm not really up to snuff on my baseball prospects unless there's some of the bigger names. So maybe somebody can tell me, does this guy have any mad skills, or is this just another Topps filler autograph? Taiwan Walker and Stanton. Yeah, that's why I'm not going to buy another box. I've got about all the low tier autographs that I can stand. Chris Sale, Santander autograph. That's my second autograph. So that may be it, unless I get lucky and get another one. These are both just base autographs. I did get the blue version of this, which I put on eBay, and it sold really fast. So definitely must be a couple of Santander fans. Trey Mancini and Kenta Maeda. Scribner rookie, Dylan Peters rookie, a Cody Bellinger Superstar Sensations, and Jackie Bradley Jr. Eric Fetty rookie, the first Prism refractor, Robbie Ray, a really good looking one, and then a gold Daniel Murphy, number 250. Another really good looking card. Huh. Jose Abreu. I definitely like the colored refractors. There's an Ohtani. Jose Barrios refractor. Jay Bruce and Ian Happ. Brandon Woodruff, J.D. Davis, Whit Merrifield Prism, Quintana, Craig Kimbrell, Edwin Diaz, and Aaron Judge Future Stars. Well, that's kind of funny. It should say Aaron Judge Current Star. I mean, I know he's still young, but he's not that young. Josh Donaldson, Addison Russell, a John Gray refractor, Conforto and Goldschmidt, Nick Williams rookie, Ender Inciarte refractor, John Lester and Marquez. Just a couple of packs to go. Brandon Crawford, Chris Archer, Adam Jones Prism, Starlin Castro, Jack Flaherty rookie, a Polanco refractor, Chris Bryant, and Marcus Stroman. Zach Granite rookie, Nicky Delmonico rookie, Christian Arroyo, Future Stars, and Evan Longoria. Alright, 2 more packs. Unless something crazy comes out of these 2 packs, I'm calling this the worst box of the 3. Faux show. Alright, Arano rookie, Tyler Wade rookie, an Andrew Miller Prism, Eric Thames. I'm still not clear. I'm going to call him Thames, I guess. Thames. I think it's Thames. Even the announcers pronounce it differently. Clint Frazier rookie. Austin Hayes freshman flash. Here's a purple Freddie Freeman. That's nice. And no more Mazzara. The purples I think are numbered to $2.99. Yeah. I think I sorted these correctly, meaning that this and this I think are all base and rookie cards, and this is a pretty healthy stack of parallels and insert cards. I mean, it's good looking stuff, but yeah, the value definitely was not there in this box. It's definitely ranking this the last of the 3. There's a couple of good things in here, but anyways, if anybody needs any of these, they'll be on eBay. You'll see my store link below. I can add, if you want to purchase them directly from my online store, I can put them there. If you need, I haven't listed any of the base cards. I've listed some of the rookies, but not the base cards. If you're trying to put together the set and you need certain numbers, go ahead and email those to me at gametimecardshop@gmail.com. Here we go. gametimecardshop@gmail.com, and let me know the numbers you need, and I can like send you a price. It'll be dirt cheap. It's just base cards. So, but yeah, let me know what you need. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Next up, I haven't ordered any other older stuff. I'm kind of searching around for some ideas. But I have a lot of other stuff I've already opened that I'll be posting up between now and the time Donruss football hits, which I'm super excited about. And preseason, oh, it's about to get good. We're going to have football and baseball at the same time. Alright, that's it. Everybody take care. Hope you're having a great weekend. Ta-ta.